Hi, in this video we are going to test our Splay tree. So let's create a tree. For example, I'm going to store integers. So integer, it's going to be the Splay tree, and I'm going to instantiate it as a Splay tree. Okay, then I'm going to insert, for example, Splay tree.insert 10. Then I'm going to insert several items, for example, -5, for example 0, for example 20, for example 30. Okay, what do you guess that what's going to be the root node after inserting these items? Of course, after inserting every single item, the Splay method is going to be called. So after inserting this, it's going to be the root node. After inserting this is going to be the root node, and so on. So we should have the root node 30. Okay, so I have a Splay tree that... Okay, if I would like to use it, of course, we have to implement it in the Splay tree, or we just have to cast it. Okay, I'm just going to cast it to a Splay tree, because this tree is not a Splay tree, so we have to cast it. So Splay tree, this is how Java works, and print root. Okay, or the other solution would be to have this print root method in the tree interface. Okay, but if I print it, Java application, as you can see, the 30 is going to be printed out. So because it was the last item we have inserted, then it's going to be the root node of the tree. Why is it good? Because it's going to take ordo 1 constant time complexity to access this item very, very fast. For example, what about the... I'm going to get the maximum just to check out whether it's working fine or not. So Splay tree.getMax, for example. We should have the 30, I think, yeah? What about the getMin? I think we should have the -5. Yeah, it's working fine. And I'm just going to have the in-order traversal. The in-order traversal should yield the numerical ordering. So let's save it and run it. And as you can see, it's going to yield a numerical ordering. So this Splay tree is working fine. We have managed to make sure that the inserted and search node is going to be the root node. Because let's say that, for example, I'm going to search for the... So find, I would like to find a 0. Because the find method contains the Splay method, so whenever we search for an item, then we are going to call this Splay method. That's why after finding and searching for the 0 item, the root node is going to be the 0. So let's see whether it's working fine or not. I'm going to save it and run it. As you can see, the root node is the 0 because we have searched for this item. And after every search operation, we're splaying the tree to make sure that the 0 is going to be the root node. Okay, so that's all about Splay trees. We have managed to make sure that the node is going to be the root with the help of the 3 cases we have been discussing in a theoretical section. Thanks for watching.